It's a 2017 Cadillac Escalade ESV. It stays true to its Cadillac soul, offering sophistication throughout while being everything you need an SUV to be with room galore. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: V8 engine, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, external memory control, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, automated parking sensors, voice activation, doors and push-button start proximity key, heated steering wheel, streaming video feed rear view mirror, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. For over a century, Cadillac has been synonymous with automotive innovation. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Call us today at 1-866-470-0171.
For value